thing we're going to look at is how to hold the tools that you use to draw with. Usually you use pencils to draw with, but of course there are many other materials, as you can see. When you use a pencil or pen to write, you usually hold it down at the tip. Why do you do that? You do that because you're making small and precise movements to draw the shapes of letters. When you're drawing or working as an artist, you want to have much more freedom of movement and hold your pencil more loosely. Move it along so you're holding it halfway down the barrel. It'll feel strange at first, but it really gives you a lot more freedom. Artists don't make small, precise movements using just their wrist. They work from the shoulder, so they can make big movements and free up their stroke. They can also make small movements. Let's have a practice. Just circle your arm in a big circle and then get smaller and smaller and smaller. You'll get used to it as you go along. You don't always have to hold it that way. You can move the pencil around and hold it that way. There's quite a number of different ways to hold your pencil. Find one that's comfortable, holding it further along the barrel, and use it that way. Another thing that we do when we're drawing is we press very hard and get a very dark line. What I want you to practice is changing the pressure that you use when you draw. Start with a dark line. Make the next one lighter. Make the next one lighter still. See how light you can go, just practicing down the page. Artists often draw very light lines. This means they don't have to rub them out. They can just redraw. If you draw a dark line, you feel that you have to use it. But if you're using light lines, you can just change it as you feel, and it creates a beautiful drawing.